Basic prepositions in English, indangahantu z'ibanze mu Cyongereza. At, cool. I am at the restaurant, ndi kuri restaurant. In, you are in the class, uri mu ishuri. On, cool. I am on the roof, ndi ku gisenge. In, mo imbere. I am in a park, ndi muri parike. On, I am on the highway, ndi ku muhanda munini wa kaburimbo. At, cool. I am at the train station, ndaho bategera gare ya moshi. Under, I am under the table, ndi munsi y'ameza.